Hey you guys, so today's review, I know I said I was going to do blue pom and blue pomegranate together, but it's just blue pomegranate. I don't think there's any difference really. So, yeah, check it out. I don't really, like I said, I don't think there's a difference at all. It's really quite, should be the same. The company, I mean, they're in charge of doing all that. I mean, with the marketing, they change things around, and you know, they do like you know, can revamps. So they come with they might shorten the name or make a name longer. It's kind of up to them. So yeah, already cracked it open. It smells like a really good little bit of berry, like a nice strong berry, almost like blueberry. It smells almost like maybe even a hint of cinnamon. I don't even know. It's really good though. It's got a very pleasant berry smell. Very, very strong, very maybe like a blueberry. I don't smell too much pomegranate, but mostly smell blueberry, which smells really good. Almost like a pie. So let's check it out. Alright, so we have a very pretty color. It's kind of like a violet. Very pretty, like almost like a light purple, very like a crystal purple. One thing about Xenergy, we definitely have nice colors because they're not artificially colored with food coloring. Another interesting fact about Xenergy is that I see a lot of girls drinking this particular energy drink, not blue pomegranate, just Xenergy as a whole. They really I don't know, they like it. They like it or something. They just, it's maybe like a chick drink. So that's okay though. This was the last one on the shelf, so I had to do a review. Which is, I knew where to find the other blue pom. It just says blue pom, but it's all the way back the other way. So I figured I'd just make this, just be done with it. Wow, it's really pleasant. It's kind of like, and this is gonna sound weird, it hits you almost like Monster Mixed. It really tastes a lot like Monster Mixed, but maybe a watered down version of it, without the Monster cotton candy taste that you get from a Monster, which makes it really good. So if Monster Mixed should just, you know, fully disappear, there's this. Unfortunately, this was like the last can on the shelf of this Gulf, so I don't know if it's gonna become rare, but I hope not, because it's pretty good. I think overall the mango guava was really good, but I feel like it's already been done. Possibly even that could have actually tasted kind of similar to the Black 28. That was really, it's very similar. It's Black 28's a lot like a nectarine, is one thing I forgot to mention in the review. It's a lot like a nectarine. This is like a really like strange mix between a Monster Mixed and like, I can't taste any pomegranate, so I really don't. But it's got a nice blueberry taste. It's very delicious. It's a little underwhelming, but then again, you're talking about a drink that doesn't have no sugar. Like, it has no sugar, no fat, no cholesterol. The only thing in this thing, everything else is zero, is 2 grams of carbs, 15 milligrams of potassium, and 160 milligrams of sodium. That's it. There's nothing else in this thing. Everything else is strictly the flavor of what you're tasting. You're not tasting anything else. It's really, really good. It's kind of takes away from maybe the heaviness, like, of the taste. The taste fades away almost immediately. The aftertaste is like bland. It's like flavored water, kind of like a vitamin water. It's very strong when you first sip it. Very delicious, but then right after it gets over that blueberry hump, it's gone. This drink gets very flat on you in your mouth. It's very delicious. Like I said, it's got its weak points. It's not as strong. It doesn't carry you through. But it's a good sports drink. It's a good alternative. It's definitely a different kind of drink. They don't make them like this often. It does have acesulfame, which is an artificial sugar, because otherwise this would taste like garbage. So they have to put something in there. To be honest, it really does taste pretty good for the fact that it has nothing in it. But it is watery afterwards because there's no extra ingredient to carry you over to the next sip. So it's kind of like it's watery. It's watery. It's a watered down version of Monster Mixed, really, which is interesting. It's not something I expected at all. So yeah, it's good though. It is good. I give it probably like a 7 out of 10 because of the flavor that first hits you. But as far as the overall flavor, probably about a 6 or 5, depending. So, but if you find this, definitely try it out. Got a little bit of, it's a little sour at first, and then it just kind of fades to a blueberry, and then it fades to nothing. So it's good. It's a good drink. Highly recommend it just to try out, see if you guys like it. It's only $1.99 at where I get it from, so check it out if you find it. Along with all the other Xenergies, they have black cans and chrome cans. The chrome cans are 0 calories and 0 everything. They're like the diet versions. The black cans are a little more heavy. They got the they got the UFC guy on the can. The Gulf that I got this from used to have the black cans. Now they don't. Now I have to go to Sunoco, which is like all the way. It's far. It's not too far, but I'll actually be there early tomorrow. Later today I'll be in that area, but I probably won't be able to get it for you. But it's really not worth it. They're kind of cheap drinks, and they're just another drink they're hard to come by. But when you do, they're okay. You know, they're not. They're when you're there for when in Rome. In other words, like when you're in that area, and you just happen to you pop into the gas station, and you see them. It's worth the buy, to grab, try out, and but nothing really. I wouldn't make a special trip, but it's good. Like I said, so they come from Las Vegas, Nevada. Did not know that. That's basically the same. That's exactly where Rockstar comes from. I swear they must be friends. I wonder if Rockstar gives them Pomegranate or they give them, you know. I think Rockstar should come out with a blueberry Rockstar. I think that'd be really delicious. So there's not enough blueberry drinks. As far as Endurance doesn't count. Blueberry, whatever that is, blueberry, and knock it off. Put some sugar in there. Get yourself a good blueberry drink to compete with Amp or something like that. You know. So, if I had to say any other flavor, I would have to say it does taste a little bit like the Blue Amp in the old can. But then again, maybe because it's watered down, maybe the new can. So I don't really know. But I do know that it's similar. The new and old can of the mixed berry taste a lot like this. So that's another example. So if you want something else to reference to other than Monster Mixed, I'd say yeah, that's basically about it. So yeah, Monster Mixed Amp Mixed Berry equals Blue Pomegranate Xenergy by Xyience. So Xyience is an actual vitamin company. I think they make a bunch of vitamin powder and sugar and stuff. So yeah, with that said, TPX Reviews, off and out to another possibly Xenergy review. We'll see. So thank you guys very much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Peace out.